What happens when the very institution meant to protect your rights stops defending them? Under President Trump's renewed administration, the Department of Justice's Civil Rights Division faces a seismic shift. Civil rights attorneys, 70% of them, have walked out. Key litigation has been frozen. Investigations? Abandoned. Experts warn, the division is no longer serving all Americans, but only the administration's chosen few. From voting rights to anti-discrimination enforcement, critical protections are vanishing. The division's new focus? Fighting so-called gender ideology and anti-Christian bias, language critics call a dangerous rebranding of civil rights. Civil rights groups are urging congressional oversight before decades of progress are erased. This isn't just policy. It's people's lives. And the time to speak up, for justice, for truth, for civil rights, is now. Because silence is complicity.